Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewheelsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a clip on Twitch app. Would you like to make a clip from a video on Twitch app? You can easily do it, just follow these steps. Open Twitch app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Locate the video which you would like to edit and create a clip. I will just go to my Discover tab and choose a random video from here. Now click on this movie icon at the top right corner next to Settings icon. Click on Edit down below under the video. Click on Trim Clip button to trim this video if you would like to. Move the slider to the left or right depending which part you would like to trim. And click on Done at the top right afterwards. After that, add a title down below. After you have finished editing, just click on Publish at the top right and your Twitch video will be created. That's how you do it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a clip on Twitch app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewheelsocial.com.